Hey everybody, welcome to the basement here. Just unboxing a package from MJ. And for those who don't know, MJ is Just Plain Fun. How about like that? Just Plain Fun. He is the go-to for parts, pieces, whole planes, all that stuff. I ordered a number 12 from him. Do I need a number 12? No. Am I going to use a number 12? No. Well, maybe. I might. But you and I were talking about a number 12 that I'd seen on Marketplace, and he told me he had one, and I may not trust somebody on Marketplace, but I'll trust MJ's. So let's see what this bad Larry looks like. The handle's beautiful. I'd never used a number 12 or a number 12 and a half or any of those veneer planes. Cabinet scrapers I've used, yes. But though this is a number 12 and a half, one of the previous owners had put a looks like a beach sole on it. Looks beautiful. Put this bad boy together here. Looks absolutely beautiful. Hope everybody's having a good good day today. Good weekend. It's kind of pretty up here in New England today. And a little chilly, but all in all, it's kind of pretty. There's a little overkill, I'm sure, for a screwdriver for this, but that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Do a little cleaning up on her, and that will go to the that'll find a place on the shelves. So hope everybody has a good day. My typical love one another, be kind, but before you love somebody else, you got to be able to love yourself. That's the big thing. So, but actually, let's just have a good day. All right, talk to you later. Bye.